We're currently in the lounge in Berlin. So we're gonna be a bit quiet, but we're about to fly to Zurich. See you there. Hello everyone, welcome to Zurich. We've got a tech day today and then kind of like opening night drinks, but like leaving drinks because we've only got a week and a half left. So yeah, I'll take you along with us. Guys, it's windy, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Wish there was sun though, because it's a little bit cloudy, but at least it's not raining. Can't complain, to be honest. Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday. I haven't filmed much this week. It's been busy, but it's my birthday today, so I will take you along for our 2-show day. She's ready. First show, let's go. It's show number 2.
Help! I'm not dressed.
Whoa. Hi guys. I'm actually at breakfast. Can you believe it? I've actually never been to breakfast. This whole tour, I think I've been to breakfast twice. This entire tour. It's Switzerland. It's expensive and it's Sunday, so we're gonna have to do it. And my family get here today, so that'll be nice. Right, let's go. Guys, as usual, I'm late, but we've got Cassandra ready to go. I need to put my tail on, but yes, let's go. Hi guys, I didn't have time to vlog earlier. Hi. But I'm well now. This is the evening show and we are about to do Act 2. It's the last one of the week and let's fucking go. We're literally there.
Superstar.
Superstar.